How to fix TikTok direct message option not showing issue on your iPhone. If you're struggling with the same problem, this video is right for you. Firstly, what you have to do is go and tap on settings, scroll down on your phone, and tap on the option called general. As you tap into general, you can see there are many options in which you have to scroll down again and tap on shutdown. Shutting down and restarting your phone can help to fix TikTok issues on your phone. Similarly, the another step what you can do is you can go on your app, long press on your app, and clear the cache. If this still does not work, the best solution is for you to uninstall them and reinstall the app. In this way, you can easily fix TikTok direct message option not showing on your phone. If you found my video helpful, make sure to give big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.